Rutianti Novitasari. Today, I will introduce to you how to create a CNC program in Mastercam X5 Excel. But before we start, I will introduce my team in this assignment. First, Fatla Rahman. Second, Pramudya Bagus. Third, Rizky Kurniawan. Fourth, Rutianti Novitasari. Okay, first thing, we need to import the Workpiece model from solid source into Mastercam. Then, we need to determine the size of scope and shaft. Next, we need to determine the strategy. First, strategy fishing. Second, logging. Third, finishing. Fourth, drawing. 5, thread. 6, drill. Spot drill diameter 6, drill diameter 6, drill diameter 15. 7, roughing inner. 8, finishing inner. 9, grooving inner, and cut off. After we finish determine the strategy making the program, then run the simulation and save the program to Mastercam format.
This is the interface of the Mastercam software. Next, we open the file, select desktop, and then choose the workpiece we want to make the program. In this video, I choose the solid file type. This is the workpiece of the job we made. Okay. Before next, select machine type, select default. After the machine type the choice, next step is we determine the stock of the workpiece. Okay. After the stock is determined, next we use the chop. We determine the chop jaw to make the chop curious. Make the chop. Okay, this is the workpiece with the next step is facing. Choose toolpath facing and choose the tool. I choose rock face right. Okay. Okay. After facing, we choose the toolpath and make a roughing program. Use the 3D chaining. Use the chaining of the program. Select OK. Next is choose the tool. Then check rough parameter, click OK. If don't have to edit the rough parameter, then this is the simulation of the roughing step. Okay, after finishing step, we use toolpad. After roughing pad, we use finish to make the surface of the workpiece is clean from the material. The step is same as the roughing step, just the chaining for the finishing step. In this finishing step, we choose the finishing tool. Or must be choose the finishing tool. The finishing step only one step to make sure the surface of the workpiece is smooth. Next step is grooving. We choose toolpad, then groove. Groove definition is chain. We choose the pattern or the step what we need to making the groove. In this step, I choose the groove center narrow, then check the groove rough parameter. Cut direction is bidirectional. Groove wall is I choose smooth. After that, click OK, and the grooving step is ready to simulate. After grooving step, next step is thread. We want to making thread in the surface, and we choose toolpad, thread, and choose the tool. In this step, we choose the end position of the thread and start position. End position is -22, start position 0. We choose the major diameter. The major diameter is 45. Okay, after the major diameter, we calculate the inner diameter and start OK. And this simulation of thread is done. We simulate the solid step of the program. Okay, done. This is the step for the outer diameter of the workpiece. Next step is we make the program for inner diameter of the workpiece. To make the first, we drill the workpiece. Use the spot diameter with diameter 6 with depth of cut -3. Then we choose drill again. We adjust hole from the workpiece. The depth of the adjust the depth of the hole into minus 21 millimeter. We boring the workpiece with the huge diameter of drill. We choose 15 diameter and the depth of cut is 100 millimeter. Okay, yes, we see the drill step is through the workpiece. Then we choose rough to make the inner diameter process. The step same as the outer diameter, but just the tool inner diameter. In the inner diameter process, make sure the size of the tool is fit to the hole diameter. Then we do the groove in inner diameter. The step same, you make the outer groove, but the difference is in the tool. In this section, I modify the dimension of the tool. Okay, after the making groove, the final step is cut off the workpiece from the stock. Choose the tool pad, cut off, and tool we choose is cut off tool. Okay, and the work workpiece is cut off from the stock. Then we simulate the 3D, the solid workpiece, and look the workpiece what we made. Okay, start. As you look in this simulation, the tool is collision with the workpiece. Okay, this is the tutorial for making workpiece in Mastercam. After the simulation complete, we save the file into the Mastercam X5 files. Okay, and then forget we save the NC code of the program of the simulation or the NC code save is need if you want to simulate the program in CNC machine. Saving the NC code may be little bit too okay. This is the NC code from the program what we made. Okay, thank you.